Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. Today we're going to be making some blue jean star keychains. Now these are so much fun to make and you really don't need a lot of supplies. A star shape, some jean material, of course some scissors. You're just going to trace out them. I used a cookie cutter for my star, trace them out, cut them out, and of course you want two of the main piece. I'm also going to do a little star on the top. So I just took the main star and I just cut it down a bit. I'm using red thread as a pop of color, but you can use blue or black or whatever color you want. Sew them together. I stitched on a little bead for a design. Throw some stuffing in it. It's really this simple. The other thing is you want to do is create some sort of a cord. So I used some hemp and some beads and looped it around the ring. And then I tucked that knot in at the bottom of the cord and tuck it inside, and then I stitch around it and through it to make sure it's going to stay. So then I also decided I wanted to make another little tassel type thing. So I had these tassels, I threw some beads on it, and I just wrapped it around the ring, and then I do go in and I tie a little knot around the top to keep those two pieces together. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make blue jean keychains. They're a fun project and a great way to get creative. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY ideas and crafting tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you try this project or if you have any other ideas you'd like to see. I love hearing from you. You can also share your creations and tag me at Krista So Crafty on Facebook so I can check them out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun making your keychains and happy crafting.